Hello friends, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix speaker not working, speaker problem in your Android device or any Redmi device. So before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and please hit the bell icon for latest Random Tech YouTube videos. So without spending much time, let's get started. So friends, the first thing, if your speaker stop working, it might be because of your speaker has been damaged, or you have got some setting problems in your device. So you have to first check plugging plugging in your headphones to your handset, so that you will know what's the matter. If you are able to listen music by plugging in your headphones, then your speaker might have been damaged. Or if you're not being able to listen music even after plugging headphones, then there must be some settings problems. So for speaker, if your cell phone if your cell phone speaker got damaged, you definitely go to the mobile repairing store and change your speaker. But if you are not being able to listen music even after plugging in your headphones, then you can do one thing. I'll show you. Firstly, go to settings and then search for audio audio, and then you'll see audio balance option. So this is for Redmi devices. This is for Redmi device or any Android devices. So you can see uh this should be in the middle row. This should be in the middle. If this should be in the middle, you have to check this. This should be in the middle, and this should be on. This should be either on. This should be on. So that's the first thing. And second thing, if you have installed any music equalizer apps in your device, firstly go and uninstall those apps you have installed, music equalizer, bass equalizer, or anything else. Firstly go and uninstall those apps, and then you can, or else you have to reset your device. 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 So that's it. I hope you can do that. So if you're not able to do that, you can give a comment in the comment box, so that we'll come out with a different solution. So till then, thank you for watching the video.